In this video, I'm going to show you how to get refund on Remitly. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So in order to do a refund, you need to see the Remitly error resolution and cancellation disclosures may be refunded to you if Remitly determines that you are entitled to a refund for a specific transaction. So in order to do that, you can send them an email to this email right here, uscomplaints@remitly.com, and you can contact them at their complaints page or call this number right here, or just mail them directly in person to this address right here. So after you do that, they will text you about your refund claim and they will contact you. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.